and escape from this world with a touch of reality. That's Discord. You can never deny that this platform is one of the trendiest ways of our generation to interact with others. With Discord, you can always say the words you want to say and be open with the thoughts you want to share with your community. You've probably guessed by now that for today's video, we will introduce you to Discord bots that will help your server grow and thus will make your Discord experience even more exciting. What's exciting about this episode are not just the best, but are also rare enough that not everyone knows about them. It might just be your lucky day because you're about to get to know them one bot at a time. Hi, how are you? We hope you're having a great day. This is the one and only Tech Factuala, reminding you to stay techie. In this channel, we bring you the most fantastic and informative news about the world of technology and other electronic advancements and innovations that you should be updated on. We tell you about the world's most jaw-dropping smartphones, appliances, gadgets, and other related subjects. This video will talk about the top 5 unusual Discord bots that will make your server experience exhilarating. It might even help you gain more friends in the community. Before that, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. This way, you'll get updated on our future uploads. It would also be nice if you give this video a like and share it with your friends. As a user of Discord, you may have already heard or encountered the term Discord bots. These are stepping stones for you to do everything you want to do in Discord. They can also be of help with interacting more with others and sharing information with them. This video will help you learn more about them as we talk about 5 bots you should definitely have and how these will make your server grow. Let's start exploring these 5 uncommon Discord bots. Number 1. GAwesome Bot. Nothing beats a bot that can help you improve your conversation with others. This multi-purpose bot is known for its customizability features. You can now share more with your friends. This amazing bot can manage to give life to your chat, and it contains qualities that may increase your user activity on the server. Not a lot of users know about this bot, but it does have some features that you don't want to miss, such as kicking, banning and awarding members, conducting giveaways, memes or polls, and a steadfast extension system that's able to show you results straight from other known platforms such as Google and YouTube. It is best to have this bot if you're one to often announce events and spread information. Be sure to add this to your list for a wonderful time chatting. Number 2. TriviaBot. You can now make Discord as entertaining as possible with this enjoyable bot. Since the platform often gives you entertainment through having voice chats and conversations about the game, how would you feel about having a multiplayer game? TriviaBot is unlike other games that are often played by 2 people and only has a few topics to choose from. As mentioned before, it is a multiplayer trivia game that consists of 3,000 questions and 24 categories ranging from sports, science, films, nature, and even television. This bot is even easier to use with just 3 commands: Trivia Help to show all commands, Trivia Start to start playing a game, and trivia categories to choose from in the 24 categories. Number 3. Gilded Bot. As far as gaming is concerned, there's one more bot you surely must get. The Gilded Bot is highly recommended for gamers who love to play any of the following: Dota 2, Minecraft, League of Legends, Call of Duty, PUBG, WoW, Destiny, and many other similar games. This can help you recruit new players, complete missions, and improve your abilities. Aside from that, you can post updates and server team enhancements. How? This bot can help you use some advanced recruiting, discussion, and even scheduling tools. A total package for your gaming lifestyle awaits through the use of this bot. Be sure to check out its features. It also offers a dashboard where you can control and manage all of your team activities. Thus, the information in your dashboard will be coordinated to your Discord server. Number 4 is waiting to be added to your list. But before that, what do you think of the 3 aforementioned Discord bots? Are you planning to add them to your Discord experience? What type of bots do you want us to feature next? Connect with us through the comments. We'll be waiting for your replies. Next is number 4, Serum. Who wouldn't want a high-technology bot that makes you feel like a boss? Want to act like you're in control? Serum has got your back. This bot is just like Siri, only that it's the Discord version of it. With just a simple, "Hey Serum," you can now give commands to the platform. This voice-activated bot can even activate these commands even though you're playing a game and you don't have to minimize the tray repeatedly. It keeps you from spending too much energy on the smallest actions. The downside, however, is that it has very limited commands. This is probably because the bot is still being developed into a more complex one that allows you to just lay back and enjoy the perks. Serum's update must be on your waitlist since it will help improve your Discord as well. Number 5. Pancake. Music should always be one's emotional escape as it sets a mood for every scenario, and PancakeBot is about to make Discord musically pleasant with your chosen music genre. Now, music and server moderation can be done at the same time. The music player this bot provides helps you to load and request music from trusted platforms such as YouTube, SoundCloud, and Twitch. Your requested music will then be integrated into the voice channel for it to be played. With this bot, you don't need to go through all the trouble of playing music over your microphone. You will be directly connected to the source, avoiding any noise distortion and helping you hear music with better quality. Similar to normal music players, this bot offers a variety of features. It can make a queue of songs so you don't need to keep on switching or requesting songs, and you can also play, pause, and change the song using the given commands. Generally, it's just like listening to your favorite songs in a playlist without worrying that it will slow down your server. Instead, it will help your server grow. Not only does it enable you to listen to great songs, but it has server moderation toolboxes that can lessen the administrative tasks of the server admin. Whenever a new user comes in picture on your screen, you can set up roles. Plus, you can avoid spam messages, other unwanted issues you're avoiding, and delete large-sized messages. In avoiding such, you can deliver customized messages to others with a text channel and have easy, large server management. This bot surely has surpassed the expectations of its functions. Grow your server. Having these bots will surely increase the followers you have and widen your community. But simply adding them and seldomly using them won't be enough. That's why we've provided some tips below for you. First, you need to be active in your community. Be sure to interact with everyone a lot and be truthful in your words and actions. Second, be sure to focus on a subject that people are interested in. It is better to attract them with great information. Third, advertise it on Advertise Your Server. You need to help yourself grow if you want your server to grow as well. Just like plants, it takes time and effort for you to see results. That sums up the 5 bots we have prepared for you this video. Did you add them to your server yet? We hope you have, and therefore can enjoy the features these bots have in store for you. But if you don't like having bots and would like to get rid of them, there's also a process for that. Would you like to feature it in our next video? For now, it's time to upgrade your Discord experience. Try these bots out. Do you have any suggestions for our next video? Or anything you'd like us to feature here? Reach out. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll get updated for our future uploads. This is the one and only Tech Factuala, and we will see you soon in our next video. Thanks for watching!